Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to share how to use this titration stand, which is also called a burette stand or a retord stand. Stand has a base with a vertical metal rod that holds the clamp. The stand here is black, so a white sheet of paper must be placed to see the titration color change easily. This is a clamp holder. The side of the clamp holder has a stand thumb screw and the left side has a clamp thumb screw, and both the sides are curved. The clamp holder must be fixed in such a way that the open side of the stand thumb screw must face the metal rod. Due to this, the curve facing upwards can hold the extension clamp. Now, this clamp is made up of two jaws, a fixed one and another movable jaw. This thumb screw is used to open or close the jaws of the clamp. This clamp is fixed into the clamp holder with the clamp screw securely. Test tube, round bottom flask, retort flask are put in between these jaws. Sometimes the hold of these jaws is loose. At such times, put half an inch of a paper or tissue paper to give it a good grip. The hold of the clamp can be moved up and down and fixed wherever needed with a stand thumb screw. Here, I am removing the burette and putting a test tube in it. Only use the stand thumb screw to move the clamp holder up and down. If you like my video, share and subscribe.